Hello, today is the 30th day of September 2017. My name is Jeff Barkler. In this video I will show that on the 2nd of May 2017 I wrote to the Minister for Justice complaining about the Corruption Crime Commission WA's failure to investigate my serious misconduct report filed on the 20th of April 2017. Slide 2 is a letter to the Minister for Justice, the Honourable Michael Keenan, dated the 2nd of May 2017. Failure by the Corruption Crime Commission to investigate WorkCover WA. Further down you will see I ask the following question. Is it acceptable to you that the Corruption Crime Commission refused to investigate allegations of government corruption? To date, this letter has not been replied to. Looking at the third slide, you will see a Corruption Crime Commission misconduct report dated the 20th of April, to which there has been no response. If we look at the fourth slide, it is a letter to Mr. Ross Paparone and WorkCover WA dated the 16th of March 2017. And yes, you guessed it, no reply at all. Minister Keenan, as the Minister for Justice and the Minister responsible for the Corruption Crime Commission, is it acceptable to you that the Corruption Crime Commission refused to investigate allegations of government corruption? What is the Corruption Crime Commission's purpose, if not to investigate allegations of corruption? What is your purpose as the Minister for Justice, if not to ensure justice for the people of Australia? Minister Keenan, all I'm asking for is a fair go. I was injured at work. Allianz have accepted liability for my injuries, yet they refuse to pay compensation or provide rehab, which has left me in financial ruin and not working and having a devastating effect on me and my health and my family and friends. Taking into account the facts and evidence, is it possible that Allianz have bribed WorkCover officials, judges and politicians? Please Google the words Allianz bribes and you will see that the Wall Street Journal reported in December 2012 that Allianz were fined $12.4 million for bribing government officials in Indonesia. Minister Keenan, you work for the Australian people. You are a public servant who is responsible for justice, and yet you ignore your responsibilities and obligations to protect the very people you were elected to serve. Sir, I've had enough of politicians who pretend to represent the people while lining their own pockets and in reality representing corporations like Allianz who seek to destroy Australia. Minister Keenan, I'm not asking you for any favours. I'm asking you to do your job that you took an oath or affirmation to do. So please do your job and investigate my allegations of government corruption. I am publicising my grievances because no one is willing to answer my questions, which may expose people in authority. I fear for my safety. I have requested protection by the Australian Federal Police in emails on many occasions, but as you are the Minister responsible for the Australian Federal Police as well as the Corruption Crime Commission, is it any wonder that the Australian Federal Police are not protecting me? I note, and I am not accusing anyone yet, but I released my video on Steve Georgiana's corruption on the 27th of September 2017, and on the very night after, the night of the 28th of September 2017, my teenage children become very frightened by noises in the backyard. Is it possible this wasn't a coincidence, but was dirty tricks instigated by Allianz in an attempt to scare me into silence? Thank you for watching. Please share this video with family and friends, and check out my videos titled Allianz and WorkCover Corruption, and Allianz and Judge McCann, and Allianz and Justice Toddle, and Steve Georgiana's corruption. Stay tuned. I'll be putting out many more videos of facts and Allianz government collusion and corruption.